Hey, I'm Goodrich, and I'm going to talk to you today about the biggest mistake I see photographers making, and it has nothing to do with your photography itself. This is something, even if you're fantastic in terms of where your skills are, a lot of photographers fall short in this. Image delivery. What's your mechanism for image delivery? How long does it take? And how does that help your clients, whether it's, senior portraits or high-end commercial clients, round out the experience? Now, the first mistake I see people making is taking way too long. And I'm totally guilty of this myself, whether it's getting time siphoned because you're retouching and that's taking you forever, whether you have like some emotional issues around the image and so you're kind of procrastinating on making selects and everything like that. Regardless of whatever the reason is, it is so important to get those images out. There's this phrase in business that we say, which is under promise, over deliver. So if you say 2 weeks, getting those images out, 10 days instead of 14, that's going to make such a huge difference psychologically to your client. They're going to feel so good about the experience. Figuring out what you can do to get them through, because that little burst of surprise and excitement that they're getting images faster than you even told them goes so far in terms of clients wanting to work with you again, being super excited, and spreading the word about you, because that word of mouth is key. So the number 2 mistake in terms of image delivery that people make is not making it a branded experience, right? Just sending digital files. Well, that is such a missed opportunity. And if you think about it psychologically from your client's perspective, and I'm talking about like whether they're art directors who work at big companies or whether or not it's, event photography. The way that we people, when we're hanging out with our friends or whatever, that we transfer files is like through Dropbox or, Google Drive, email, everything like that. So that's not special to us. When you hire a photographer and they're coming to you with this professional level of service, it means so much to have images delivered in a really amazing way. So my secret tool for that is Pixieset. It's this amazing company. I love them and I think they're amazing. Pixieset is this album experience where you upload files, you can do them in little sub-albums, and then the clients have access to download, share, order prints, all of this stuff right straight from the site. So, I do this with my clients, whether it's, a friend that I make pictures for because I love them and I'm supporting, their event or their business, or whether it's, a higher end client. You can put your logo up top and everything, so it's super, super beautiful and the experience is just so nice. So the third mistake I see photographers making in terms of image delivery is not giving clients a super clear and easy way to cite the images correctly. Like, this is huge. As much as we would love to think that clients, even high end, low end, no matter who they are going to remember to tag us, are going to remember to say photography by, photo by. People have all these other things that they're thinking about, right? So it's not on their radar. You have to, as a photographer, make it super clear what is the appropriate way to cite this. If it's on Instagram, saying, okay, this is what the Instagram tags are. And especially as a photographer, if you're working with teams, if you have a makeup artist, a hairstylist, models, it's super important for them also to make sure that everybody is cited appropriately. And so what I do is with Pixieset, I'll do an album invitation, and then I will have it in there for IG, because that's where a lot of people are sharing now, and for web. And it's just, all they have to do is open it on their phones, copy it, and then paste it. It makes it super easy. Sometimes they'll even put in hashtags. It makes it super easy for them to cite it properly. And then you get all that beneficial traction. Everybody's super happy because they're getting credit for their work, and you've made it super easy for the client. By delivering the images faster than you said you would, you're giving them an amazing surprise that they're gonna love. By having a branded delivery and mechanism that's super easy and beautiful for them to receive the images, they're gonna love that and think of it as being so amazing. And lastly, by giving them the tools to help them cite the image properly, that is gonna make such a huge difference in terms of social sharing and everything, and it makes it super easy for them. It's like that active generosity that people just love because you're going out of your way and above and beyond. So that's it. My 3 tips that will really optimize and make your image delivery process amazing. Because remember, Maya Angelou said, people won't remember what you did, they'll remember how you made them feel. right? So as a photographer, you want to dazzle them and they'll remember that feeling and want to work with you again or recommend you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and definitely leave a comment for me below, because I would love to know what you're interested in photography, what you need moving forward, and what kind of videos I can make to really help you. And be sure to subscribe so I can come straight to your inbox. Bye. Okay, the team. Oh my gosh, my nose. Okay, so final one, number 3 is all. Final tip number 3 is